Hi guys, I'm outside and just riding it over here on our driveway. It's too windy out here. My bike. We just bought it yesterday. What? Huh? Oh yeah, just a minute. Okay, we just bought it yesterday. And then it wasn't bad riding. Okay, see you later. Huh? No, just right. Okay, go.
Not a good driver.
I'm not a good.
She
Oh my
hasn't been
goodness.
riding her bike since probably a year.
Ouch. Sorry. It's hard to drive and have my camera on my hand. Do you think my tire is low? Okay. It's really hard to take videos while riding a bike, and it's cold and windy out here. Okay, I'm gonna quit for now because it's really windy and cold and my bottom hurts too. I rode yesterday and today. I think that's it. I only took one round. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be cooking bistek or beef stick. It's a Filipino dish. Beef, that's why they call it beef stick. It's beef. The meat is beef. Okay, and we will be marinating this beef. I think I have like, I don't know how many pounds. So here are the ingredients. Coconut sugar. I use coconut sugar a lot, so you can use brown sugar. And this is 1 tablespoon. And onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. The garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. And black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. I don't have a regular cooking oil, so I use coconut oil. This is 1 tablespoon. And a vinegar, 1 tablespoon. And a garlic. I think I use probably 3 cloves of garlic. And I don't use soy sauce, so I use coconut aminos. This is 3 tablespoons. Okay, so now all we do is just mix all the ingredients. First, I'm gonna put the beef in this bowl. And then the next one is the coconut aminos. You can use soy sauce if you like. I just use this one. And then I need to put this black pepper. Just mix all the ingredients really, because we had to marinate this one anyways. And then this. And that. And then the sugar. And the last one is this. So all you do is just mix it. Let it marinate for um, 3, 4, 3 to 5 hours if you like, or you can marinate it overnight. But this will be our supper, so I'll cook it like maybe 4 o'clock. So let that one set. Yeah. Okay, so everything's mixed already, and then that one, and then I'll cover it with a saran wrap or cling wrap, you call it. So I'll cover it with this. Refrigerator. There you go. Nice. So, yeah, I will be cooking this around 4 o'clock or 4:30. It will be like 6 hours. I'll marinate this for 6 hours. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, I'm back. And I put probably 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then now I will be cooking this marinated beef. Okay, I just have to wait till it's hot, not too hot. Okay. Here's the beef that I marinated. Put it in medium high. Okay, let's check. It's not cooked yet. Then cover it again. Okay, I think this is done. I'll let it cook for 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes for medium high. Look at that, honey. This is how I do it. Sorry guys, my laundry is making a lot of noise. It's too loud. I have to try this one. It's a taste test. It's really good. This is done. My goodness, it's so good. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's my Filipino dish. It's a beef steak or bistek. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video and give recipe a try because I know I love it and hope you like it too. And yeah, that's it for now. And well, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel. And that's it. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye-bye!